Okay, this is a 2022 Peterbilt. We end up installing the Excalibur alarm system with the linker unit on the app on the phone. We'll get to that in a second. And by the way, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock. Okay, that arms the alarm, disarms it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and press this twice, and this will remote start the truck. I did program the diesel delay, that way it turns on the ignition, warms up the glove plug, and then the truck will start. You can hear it whining now. What a nice color on it. Basically what you do when you get back to the truck, you can just open the door, turn the key in ignition, and drive away. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and shut it off so I can go over the rundown. Same procedure, you hit this twice. This is a trunk, but this truck doesn't have a trunk. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys on the app to alarm the alarm. You're going to hit lock. You can do this anywhere in the United States. In fact, you can be out of the country and you can arm and disarm the alarm and remote start your truck. It's going to tell you doors are locked. Hit the unlock. Okay, it's going to tell you doors are unlocked. The GPS, you track it here. Press this little guy here. It'll just tell you where the truck is at. But if I was able to show the location because this is a yard where we do the install, so I don't do this if it was at a yard that the truckers park, because I don't want to give out location for security reasons. I want to go ahead and remote start the truck. Same thing, turns on the ignition, it gives a diesel delay, and the truck is gonna start now. If you have an Apple Watch or you have one of those Android watches, you can do everything from your Apple Watch or your Android watch. If somebody bangs on the window, to show you guys. The last time he tapped the screen and canceled out the alert. Alright, this alarm was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. If you're watching this video and you're out of state, you got to find a load to Miami, and the installation takes about an hour and a half. So yeah, we are based in Miami and we do not have anybody in any other state. So yeah, you're gonna have to find a load and take the drive. Thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.